Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. Keywords on your eBay products are essential to get the highest rankings possible. Whether it's the title, description or even the subtitle, don't look at these factors as informative fields for your customers. Look at them as a chance to give a positive influence to your products. If you skillfully add your keywords, your products will appear accordingly. But how should you know which keywords to use? We explain it in this video. We present you 3 ways to find relevant keywords to your product. And with that, we already came up with the first important term, relevance. Basically, every word or phrase could be used as a keyword, but it's important to use words that are relevant to your product. Think of the words that a potential customer would type in the search bar. If you're selling sneakers and use as a keyword shoes made out of natural fiber, you might rank in a high position if that's how you optimize your listing, but it doesn't guarantee a lot of sales. What we mean by that is to use relevant keywords that aren't exposed to strong competition. The keyword iPhone is being used by thousands of merchants and makes it difficult for you to rank high. That's why you should vary between short tail and long tail keywords. How can you find these keywords? One way is to use eBay's Autosuggest function. Find as many synonyms for your product as possible. If you're selling sneakers, you can also use the words footwear or gym shoes. Type these words in your search bar and take a note of the first 5 results. This way you can at least filter out words that are searched the most. A detailed view can be given by eBay's internal tool terapeak. If you want more information about terapeak, we already have a video for you. Link is on the top right of your screen. This tool gives you more accurate data, such as the number of sold products to a specific keyword that ranks very high. It also shows you the number of users watching it. Altogether, you can find out which keywords are relevant but get a lot of competition. However, eBay purchases don't result only after a search on eBay's search bar. Other search engines are also contributing, such as Google, which means that it makes sense to analyze the search results on Google as well. You can help yourself by using the AdWord Keyword Planner. Here you can check for keywords in the same way you did in the other methods. You also get the number of monthly search requests. Therefore, you get the results filtered in detail. If you'd like to see a more comprehensive video about Google AdWords, let us know in the comments. Those were the 3 methods you can use for individual keywords. Always remember to use both long-tail and short-tail keywords. Keep a balance between relevant keywords and competition, and try to switch keywords if the results you get aren't as high as you're aiming. Good luck using these 3 methods, and should you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Also, like and subscribe to never miss a new video. Your eBakery team.